What's going on, everybody? Big day here. Up $25,705 in the first hour of trading. Most of that came from a swing trade I closed out today. Nonetheless, 25 grand in the first hour is great. I finished the day up over 30,000, 30,470. So I did make some more day trades that kind of bumped me up over that 30K mark. So overall, a great day. When we start up the clip, you'll see that I kind of started the recording late, so it's going to kind of pick up after I've sold. Let's just kind of go over what I had. So recently, this was yesterday, or the day before. I can't remember exactly. Did I buy them yesterday? It was yesterday. Yeah. No. I was looking at buying Boeing, and I wanted it on this 9 EMA on the daily chart. So I just wanted to buy Boeing on a dip. Two main reasons. The chart A just looks great for maybe another high of this run breakout. But also you had the 737 MAX flying in the air, like people are on it. So that's going to be a headline news, as well as the idea was to hold it into next week for the Pfizer and Moderna drug vaccine approval. So that was the idea. But today I got a technical breakout that I had to cash in on, and that was this huge move yesterday, followed by the gap up today. And I sold half. That's why you'll see me up around 15 or 16,000 when the clip runs. I forgot to hit record when the market opened. So there's a few trades in there that I did that I'm not going to go over because it was mostly the swing trade, and you'll see me close out the rest of the position later on. But the first day trade that I kind of want to go over is Peloton. And this one is something that, again, this is why I have a chat room. This is why I have the Twitch channel. If you're not a part of our Twitch channel, it's completely free. I trade on there from 9:30 to 4 o'clock every day, completely free. If you're new to trading, come on in. Let's help you learn. Let's help you change your family tree, right? Literally free. No strings attached whatsoever at all. So that's there. It's a tool. Come on in. If you're an experienced trader, come on in, be part of the community. This trade right here, I would not have been able to find on my own. I was not paying attention to it. Someone else in chat called it out. I was like, oh yeah, let's go check it out. Sure enough, it was something I was interested in. So let me preface this trade with Peloton yesterday. Peloton did the exact same thing, what we're about to go over yesterday. So here's today. That's where I took the trade. Was it yesterday or was it the day before yesterday? I don't see it. Was it here? Might have been here. Might have been here. Anyway, a flat top level where price is hitting it multiple times, coming back down, coming back up to it, breaks out through the level. All right, fast forward to today. I don't think that was the exact level, actually, that I was trying to find. Maybe it was last week. I can't remember. But this is what interests me, because I played Peloton. When I saw this, when he called it out in chat, I was like, oh my gosh, it's the exact same play all over again. So what it is price consolidation at a very solid level, very easy level. In this case, it was $115.44. For some reason, whoever's trying to sell there just picked that number. So price came up here, tapped it once, 2, 3, 4, 5. I mean, trying to break through it, couldn't do it. Buyers got frustrated, sell off. Right back up there. That's a bullish sign, right? Keep trying to crack it. Candle under candle, doesn't go anywhere. And this is kind of where the rubber meets the road, right in here. When I saw this, I went long on calls. So I took 50 calls for this. And I took the $115 because I was very confident I would get a move here. So I took the $115 strike calls. So what I'm seeing here that I was so bullish on is, first off, price action hitting an exact level multiple times. I had a candle under candle here, like similar to this, right? But this one, people got frustrated. Here, it was just a bloop and came right back up to the level. Then we had one more final candle under candle pullback right here. And it got bought up immediately, just like that. That's number one. Or two, I should say. Number three is the 9 EMA. This red line is starting to squeeze this level. Think of this as a spring just getting tighter and tighter and tighter and tighter and tighter and tighter. And all of a sudden, it's got to release. And it's going to go one way or another. In this case, it went up. And I cashed in on that. I bought 50 of... Oh, wait, where is it? Here it is. I lost my spot on Peloton. Hello, PTON. So anyway, it popped up and I started selling at the Bollinger Band. That was the goal. I was sitting here watching it, trying to crack 116, trying to get on the other side of 116. And it basically did. So I sold 25 at just market orders at 297 for a 30-cent win on 25 contracts. And then the other half, I sold it at 292. So a very nice win. And you're rolling. And again, before I roll this, again, I want to invite you all, please join the Twitch channel. It's free. It's a great community. It's an actual great group of people that want to learn. A lot of new people in there, a lot of experienced traders in there. It's great, especially if you're new, to learn different styles. The link for that is in the description of this YouTube video under Twitch. So, all right, let's roll the clip of this trade. Peloton, let's take a look at Peloton. Oh. That is nice. I mean, just call it maybe 1550 break. I'm gonna try to get that 9 EMA pushing this level. Some hidden sellers there, you can see it. See it crack it, but it comes right back down. So you're probably looking at like 1548 level. Peeps aren't scared, but this is some serious hidden selling. So let's see if we get like a candle under candle here as well. Maybe we don't, I don't know. But if you get a candle under candle, I want to see how it reacts. Last time it reacted, it dropped, 30 cents. So here's your candle under candle. You kind of don't want to see a lower low put in. You just want to see higher lows continue to be put in. So this is good. Another bounce off that 9. But again, you don't want to see lower lows being put in. Because, I mean, it could break down. It absolutely could. Right back up to 1544. Some serious volume here. Is there a wall from the day before or anything at this level? Nope. So stop loss would definitely be under 1533. There's your break. 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 Good find. Sell in half. Just gonna sell it all. That's exactly what I was looking for. Good find. So this next trade is pretty boring. I'm not gonna lie to you, but it's a good explanation of a bullish pattern that broke down instead of breaking up. So SE is a stock I traded this morning based off of a technical breakout on the daily chart. It was a real nice setup actually, kind of like a bit of a wedge here, breakout to the top side, and got a huge move to cut because of it. And I played this early on. I was actually, I think, the first trade I took this morning, so it was on my radar from there. The second, when I came back to it, I noticed immediately, okay, we have a flat top here with rising support, a very clear level, 1, 2, 3, 4 points of contact in a straight line. So very clear level. This is an ascending triangle. Ascending triangles typically break to the top side. It's a bullish formation, but it doesn't mean they always will. And this is one of the few instances where they broke to the downside. So I got long on this thing as it was approaching the upper side through here. And I was looking at those 1 minute Stokes to see if it was going to move up. But everything was telling me this is the time it needs to go. If it doesn't go, it probably rolls over and breaks down. So I went long. It seemed to crack this level here, and that's why you kind of have these little wicks. But it didn't break out. So when that happens, you got to be on your guard because the opposite can happen, and that's exactly what happened here. You break this diagonal and over time. So when it didn't go, I got out. This is a long trade, and it didn't do anything. It was a small loss, but this is a good example of a ascending triangle, which is a bullish formation that broke down. What's SE doing? Anyone know what this formation is? Pop quiz. Not this guy, but just this section right here. Pop quiz. Ascending triangle. Good job. There it is right there. And your breakout is 190. So let's see if we can play that just like we played the other one. SE calls, we'll do 190. Everything looks good here. 5 minutes okay, 1 minute, it's ready to go. Try it. Let's try it. If it doesn't go, this is my stop loss. It's just like that Peloton trade. Kind of. Peloton was a lot more clear that a breakout would. Okay, so I got a pop here and it broke the level. It didn't go. It's kind of something I need to be aware of, because if you get a candle and a candle at this point, it could drop. I didn't see it break 190. It says it did though, by 11 cents. So at that 66. I'll give it a second. Maybe it was just a weird print. The 1 minute Stokes is straight up right now. So if it's going to go, it's going to go now. See, this guy is like fully erect. It's kind of my sign that it needs to go now. If it doesn't, So now it couldn't go on that 1 minute, and now it's kind of like, you know, back down again. So, Is this level 60? I mean, we're at my stop loss. $189.60 will be my stop. Yep, I'm gonna go. Yeah. Don't like it anymore. It should have gone right there, and I mean, this is about as tight as it gets. I mean, if it gets back up here, I might just take shares of it, not the options. Of course, it held. We'll see. All right, so there's my break, and you're in danger of starting to take out these local lows. There's one. So now you are 1 minute very down, probably on the 5. So yeah. Thanks for selling, making room for our gains. Are you guys short this? And from there, that's basically all the trades I'm going to go over. The other ones are basically just selling the rest of my Boeing swing trade, which is a huge, again, most of my profits this morning came from that Boeing swing trade. I did try Amazon doing a little bounce play, but I covered that later on after the first hour. So the next clip you see is just confirmation of how much I made in the first hour. It's like a, I don't know, 30-second long clip, and it just shows the end total. It doesn't even show how I got there, because all it was selling basically this Boeing lot right here for another $10,000 or $9,000 or whatever it was. So that's it. I mean, just those two trades wanted to go over. Again, that Peloton, was an ascending triangle that broke down. Or no, sorry. Peloton was the one that was the level that broke to the top side. Right? Got that explosion. And then SE was the ascending triangle that broke to the downside. So two formations, two different, and this is a formation. The other one is just a resistance point that finally just gave way, like a wall just crumbling and just exploded. So those are the kind of plays we look for. That's how you make your money real quick and easy. No, not easy, but quick for sure. So again, if you're interested at all in my trading style or in trading in general, please come to the Twitch channel. I am live there for hours on end, helping people out. That's what I do. Experienced traders are welcome as well. Twitch, the link for Twitch is down in the description of this YouTube video, so check it out. Also, if you have questions on maybe you're struggling as a trader and you want help, send me in Discord. We have a Discord. Link for that is down below as well. We have a Discord channel. Find me on there, send me a DM with the chart of your entry and exit, mark your entry, mark your exit, and so I can check it out and see, maybe you shouldn't have done this, or what'd you see here, and I can help you that way. People do it all the time. It's helpful. I wish more people would do it, but other than that, that's all I got, and I will see you hopefully tomorrow, live. Lizzie, I cannot believe this thing dumped like it did.